Question number 3. Hallo Mädchen. Hallo Junge. Cynthia is asking, how much inventory should you lug along to a vendor event? Everything just in case? Yes. Cynthia, take everything from yourself and all the fashion business mastermind peers. Okay, so how does it work? It works as follows. Normally, if you are having a vendor event, you already have had a super successful event in the past. So if you had such event in the past, you know how much can you sell at such a great event. So take this amount of inventory plus some, because you want to sell double of your best event. It all depends as well on the size of your inventory. If I would tell you take the double amount of your best day, then imagine you are selling furniture, then probably you cannot take that much furniture with you. But if you are not selling furniture, you are selling earrings, so you can have a lot of earrings with you. So taking a double amount is not a big problem. I would say if you have an experience with an extremely good day, take the double amount of extremely good day. If you have no experience with the vendor events yet, then think about how much would be the best if you could sell, not like 3 pairs of earrings, but let's say something like 200 pairs, maybe 300 pairs a day. There is a large amount of people, foot traffic during this vendor event. So, and then double it, your best estimation, and double it and take it with you if you can carry. It is, nothing is worse than not having enough inventory to sell, believe me.